Hey everybody, Jose Noel here, aka Mr. Fancy Shoes, and today we're going to talk about M&V Pro Services, and I'm going to give you a 5-minute website tour of the website that I built for them. Now, this was their website in 2008, and it pretty much looks like a 2008 website. Let's fast forward a little bit to 2014, still not much of an update, and then we're going to fast forward again to 2017. And in 2018, that's when I joined their team, and in 2017, they had switched over to Squarespace, which was for me great because I have extensive Squarespace experience. And they had a website that was a bit bare bones, but we went ahead and we created something brand new for them. And this is the website that I created for them. Now, when I jumped on board in 2018, we developed a brand guide, made sure that their colors and their fonts were consistent across the board. And we really wanted to focus on this expertise, this sense of being a professional, showcasing all of the different work that they had done and really making it easy for somebody to schedule work and for you to feel confident in the work that you had scheduled. So we focused not only on mentioning the 25 years, but also keeping that 1995 date, having a lot of these accreditation and authority drivers into their website and showcasing photos of all the various services that they performed around town, because commercial cleaning and painting and building maintenance services are truly robust in their offerings. There's so much that you could actually do when it comes to commercial cleaning, from power washing to window cleaning to disinfecting and painting. And really, this website not only showcases some great photos of some of the great projects that we did, and I personally just love this photo of our window cleaner, and we really wanted to harken in on this fact that you can get great services from a great company and it can look good, and that maybe commercial cleaning isn't something that you actively think about, but it really is something that you should be thinking about. And here we have these great hub pages that serve from our hub and spoke model that branch out into these other service pages like floor stripping and waxing. And these are all built within a blog post format, which is really great for local SEO because Squarespace makes it so easy for blog posts to rank locally. And they give you a lot of opportunities to embed metadata inside of these blog posts. Not only do we have great media within this website, but each of these projects and each of the service pages are built within this blog post format. So we can showcase and really summarize a lot of these awesome services that this company did within a quick hub and spoke model. And it was really wonderful building this website and showcasing a lot of this family business aspect of what they did and the community service and giving back. And I would have loved genuinely to continue building out this website, making it more robust and showcasing more of that professionalism that comes with this company, not only from driving client value and creating these really great symbols for them to go along with their colors and also showcase what they do for their customers, but also just bringing in more testimonials and creating more fantastic pictures for this company. It really was such a joy working with them, and I'm really glad to have been a part of this family of businesses. And while I wish that I would have stayed on there, unfortunately, not everything lasts forever. When I did leave, their average ranking on Google for commercial cleaning and commercial building maintenance was somewhere around 2 or 3, and I do hope that they are still there. They did keep a lot of the content that I made for them, like these great photos when they revamped their website. This is all work that I had done for them previously, but they had somebody redesign it. And, I'm not here to judge other people's work. I'm just here to be proud of the work that I've completed. So thankfully, the color scheme is still there. A lot of the brand fonts are still there. And it's nice to just see people evolve and grow. And if you need a great Squarespace website that ranks well on Google, just let me know. Let's check out where they rank for commercial cleaning South Bend and end this video with some results. And as we search here, we'll find that within the organic search engine results, it doesn't really look like they're ranking anymore like they used to. But, there's always opportunity by building a robust website that has a lot of great content and good metadata within all of the different pages that you have. So just make sure when you're building a website, you have great pages, a robust infrastructure, and something that you can be proud of. So thank you so much for taking this 5-minute website tour. My name is Jose Noel Rocha, aka Mr. Fancy Shoes. And if you need a Squarespace website, a website redesign on whatever platform you use, just let me know. And of course, stay fancy, friends. Thanks for everything.